Good evening. The scanner ran its course 500 coins scanned today, 71 crossed the desk's line.
A wide net. Let's see what actually moved enough to warrant a dossier. Leading us off, we have REUR.
REUR. Our tape shows it rose up 262.8% in the last 24 hours.
Identity Check Royal Euro is a EUR reference stable value token, engineered to target a 1-to-1 value with the euro. A move of that scale for a pegged asset isn't growth, it's a structural break or a liquidity event.
Volume sat at $20 million with a turnover of 0.3 times market cap. Next up's NDKB.
SanDisk, via B-Stock's tokenized stock, it's categorized under tokenized assets and real-world assets on the BNB chain.
Our measurement for SDKB is a rise of up 9.3% over 24 hours.
A modest gain. With $73 million in volume and turnover hitting 1.7 times market cap, the activity is real, but the price action is stable for a tokenized equity proxy.
Moving to the high-flyer GPS Scopeless security.
This one covers Web3 user security. It's in the Binance Labs and OKX Ventures portfolios, sitting on BNB chain and Base.
GPS rose up 62.7% in the last 24 hours.
That is a significant deviation for a security infrastructure token. Volume was $135 million, turnover at 1.4 times market cap. The market is pricing in something for the network's security layer.
Let's look at the losers, DAPOS.
An AI application token on Ethereum and BNB chain. It's still moving this hour.
Our tape shows DAPOS fell down 7.5% in the last 24 hours.
A dip, but not a collapse. With turnover at 1.7 times market cap and $76 million in volume, holders are rotating out, but liquidity remains deep.
And the final anomaly, Velvet.
Velvet is a DeFi token, DeFi plus AI. It's in the IZ Labs portfolio and is Base native.
Velvet fell down 43.6% in the last 24 hours.
That is a severe drawdown for an AI DeFi hybrid. Volume was $23 million, but turnover dropped to just 0.1 times market cap. The liquidity has dried up alongside the price.
So, what did we throw out as a mirage? We circled REUR as a potential depeg stress test given its stablecoin identity and massive move.
We circled Velvet as a real find for liquidity risk, where price bleeds faster than volume supports, and we watched SNDKB's steady tokenized asset flow.
We don't hype it, we measure it, the chain never closes. That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.